Hello everyone, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel and you are watching AI with Ashok. This is going to our 9th tutorial in our NumPy playlist. So in this video we are going to see about linspace function in NumPy. So let's get into this video and know more about it. So before we know about linspace function we need to import NumPy first. So we have imported NumPy now. Let's see the documentation of linspace function. So the linspace function will return the evenly spaced numbers of a specified interval. So it will return a evenly spaced numbers between a range of start and stop. So returns num evenly spaced samples calculated over the interval start and stop with both inclusive, because the endpoint is by default endpoint is given as true. So if endpoint is false, it will be an excluded value. So stop will be excluded when endpoint is false. It will be included when endpoint is true. So that is the job given to endpoint here. So let's see the parameters of linspace function. So our first parameter is start, which is going to represent the starting value of the sequence, and then we have stop argument, which will represent the last value of the sequence, and then we have num, which represents the number of samples we need to generate in between the range of values. So by default num will be 50, and this num must be a non-negative number and should not be a float values. So it should be an integer values. So our next argument is endpoint, which is going to be a boolean value. If endpoint is true, the stop is the last example, otherwise it will not be included. So our default value is true for endpoint. So and then return step is an optional argument. If return step is given true, it will return the number of step sizes taken for each samples. So if we need step size for further operation, we can use this return step keyword argument to true, and it will return the step sizes also. And then we have the another keyword argument, which is a data type, which we need if we need to mention the data type of the output array, so we can use data type here, and it will return the samples of numpy array, and it will return step value also only if return step is true. So as a first example, we are going to create an array of 5 equally spaced values between 2 and 4. So for that we need to give start as 2 and end as 4 and the number of samples to be 5. So let's do it with the numpy.linspace function. So for doing the np.linspace of, so our start is going to be 2, and then our end is stop is going to be 4, and then our number of samples is going to be 5. So it will return the 5 equally spaced values between 2 and 5. So it returns both inclusive, so 2 and 4 both are inclusive, and this have returned 5 equally spaced values between 2 and 4, which is 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5 and 4. In second example, we are going to create an array of 5 equally spaced values between 2 and 4 with 4 exclusive. For doing that, we need to give endpoint is equal to false. So in order to exclude stop value. So for doing that, we need to give np.linspace of, we are going to give the start as 2 and then end as 4, and then we have to give the number of samples to be 5, and then we are going to put endpoint is equal to false in order to exclude the stop value. So it has excluded the stop value 4, and it returned the 5 equally spaced values 2, 2.4, 2.8 and then 3.2 and 3.6, each is having a step size of 0.4. And then in our third example, we are going to create an array of 5 equally spaced values between 2 and 4 and also return the step size. So for doing that, we need to create an linspace array np.linspace of, we need to give the start value as 2 and then end value as 4 and then 5 equally spaced values. So for giving 5 equally spaced value, we need to give num is equal to 5, and then for returning the step size, we need to give return step is equal to true. So this will also return the step size. So it returns the, so array going to be the first argument, and then step is going to be our second return. So let's print it the array, and then let's print the step size. So each is having a step size of 0.5, and we have also written the 5 equally spaced values between 2 and 4, 2 2.5, 3 3.5 and 4. Okay, that's about this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do like and share this video. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.